Hello, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make pastillage. So what I'm going to be needing 1 pound of icing sugar, that's around 454 grams of sifted icing sugar, and then to it I'm going to add 1.5 level tablespoon. So this is it, 1, and then half tablespoon of CMC. Next thing is I'm going to use my hand that properly washed. I'm going to just quickly mix it in, and now we're going to add 1/4 of a cup. You see, I can see that 1/4 of a cup of water. So now I usually don't add the water like completely. I add it gradually and then I mix. I just add half first, and then I start incorporating. I start mixing everything up. Now the reason I do this is because sometimes the icing sugar, the brand I use, things always change. Sometimes I might add the whole 1/4 cup, it might become too soft. So that's why I go in gradually and I keep kneading. So at this point you can see, I just hope I didn't pour everything. Alright, so I'm just going to keep kneading till everything comes together. But despite adding the remaining half, you can see it's became so sticky. So at this point I'm just going to add little icing sugar, very little, because this paste usually firms up so fast. So I'm just going to first try to make sure that every other thing goes in before I add in the remaining icing sugar. Yep. So I'm going to just dust a little bit on my surface, some icing sugar, sorry, and then I'm just going to remove this and begin to knead it on my work surface. Don't worry, everything is going to incorporate. Everything is going to mix in properly. Can you see how it's coming together? This paste you're seeing here, it's very good. It's a very good paste for craft work. I also use it for modeling as well. But to use it, you have to make sure that you add vegetable shortening if you want to use it for modeling, because it dries up so fast. And you know, when you're doing modeling work like making a figurine or something, it actually needs to be highly pliable, right? You'll be able to work with it and all that. So now can you see it's still sticky, so I'm still going to add some more sugar. So I'm going to knead it in a bit. So at this point you can see the whole paste is leaving my fingers. Right, see, it's all going in. Sorry, going in. At this point now I add vegetable shortening. So for this I don't really have a specific measurement, so I just use my fingers to just pick some. Now what this vegetable shortening does is that it prevents it from drying fast, because I'm going to be using this paste beyond today. I'll need it to stay till tomorrow, so I have to keep it nice, sort of hydrated, so it doesn't firm up so fast. So the vegetable shortening I just added to this paste is going to make it last long. So just small more icing sugar. As I said, I'm supposed to add so much because it is still going to firm up by the time you allow it to rest. So so you can see, and here is our pastillage. I'm basically just going to wrap it up with a cling film and keep it to set.